If you have never made a single dollar online, then this is the video for you. All you need to do is to watch this video all the way to the end, and I assure you, by the end of this video, you'll be able to make your first dollar online. Now, in this video, I'm going to focus on two methods. The first method can allow you to make literally your first $5 today, and you cash out that money today, okay? The second method takes a little bit of time, but it is guaranteed to give you significantly more amount of money. Before I get into the video proper, my name is Harold, and on this channel, I'm dedicated to teaching you how to make money online. And if that sounds good to you, go ahead and leave me a like on this video, as it helps this channel grow in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. So with that out of the way, the first website is this website called picoworkers. And this is a very simple website. You just go over here to perform tasks, and once you perform the tasks, you are paid out some amount of money. Don't need to worry, this website is available worldwide. I must also say that there are some tasks that are specific to some countries, but on a general note, anybody in the world can access this website. So you see some of the things that you can do to make money on this app. You can take a survey, you can write an honest review, you can test an app, or you can write an article. There are also more things that you can do. So all you need to do is to click this sign up button. Once you click the sign up button, it's going to bring you to a page where you put in your name, your email address, and all those details. It's also going to send you a verification email. You just log into your email address and verify. Now, once you are logged in, it's going to bring you to your dashboard. So you come here, it says find jobs. If you're starting out, of course, you'll be at starter. You see advanced and expert is locked because this is a fresh account. These tasks will pay you about 60 cents per task. So this one is audiobook sign up. So once you just sign up for audiobook.com, you get paid 60 cents. That's $0.6. And these tasks do not take any time to perform at all. Like this one is just literally just to sign up, and that's all. You get payment. Let's look at this one too. This one is also audible to sign up, and that's all. You are paid 6 cents. This one is for $1, and this one is to watch a video, subscribe, and share, and you are paid $1. So most of all these tasks here are just to either subscribe or to watch a video or to sign up. So imagine if you sign up in 100 tasks, then if all those tasks average $1 per task, then you can be sure of making $100 per day. Again, I am not recommending this site, and the reason is that if you have 5 hours or 6 hours a day to put into tasks like this, it will be much better for you to put that amount of time into the second strategy, which I'm going to show you. The problem with this strategy is that it is not by any means scalable. So judging from the fact that you have only 24 hours a day, there are only so many tasks that you can do before your 24 hours is gone. And then every new day, you're not leveraging on the work you have already done the previous day. So every day you're starting afresh. Whereas in the other methods, which I'm going to discuss in the later part of this video, your efforts of today compounds on your efforts of yesterday. And that's why it is much better than these one-off strategies. This strategy is good if you just need to raise some money to maybe buy a domain for your blog, or maybe you're running out of data and you just need to raise some money to sort out your data worries. Then yes, this could be a good place to go. Now, one last note to mention on this site is that you can go to prices, you can go to price range, and you can set the price range, okay? So let's say you want to make at least $1 from every task, then you go over here and set it to at least $1 and click apply. So once you have done that, it's going to show you all the tasks that are at least $1. So you don't have to perform the tasks that are less than $1. So if you look at this one is $1, and the person who posted this task wants 99 people to perform this task, and 87 people out of the 99 have already performed this. So if you rush and perform this task, you get paid $1. And this task is just to watch a video, subscribe, and share the video. Of course, after performing the task, you have to show proofs. Usually is a screenshot. So if you perform the task, just make sure you take a screenshot of it, and then you present the screenshot at the end of performing the task as proof, and then you get paid the $1 into your account. This one also is to watch a video, subscribe, and share the video for $1 as well. This one is for $1.2, and this one is to watch a video, subscribe, and share as well. This person wanted 30 people to do it, and 27 people have already done, so you can go ahead and do this one as well. This person wanted 88 people to do it, and 65 out of that 88 people have already done it, so you can do that as well. So you get the general idea. Another website that is just like picoworkers is this website here called microworkers. This is just the same as picoworkers. Again, I would not recommend it. If you're just looking for small money on the side, then by all means give it a try. But if you really want to build a real online business, then this is definitely not what you're looking for. On this site, much like picoworkers, you also take surveys, you moderate content, you sign up for services. There are a lot of tasks, but they are all minor tasks that pay you little money, between 10 cents and $1.20 tops, or maybe $2. So this is another site. Another site is a website called Newbox. This is also similar to picoworkers and microworkers. Again, just go ahead and register, or if you already have an account, you go ahead and log in. So on this website, you can earn money from watching ads and other smaller tasks. Another one I wanted to show you guys is this website called Family Clicks. Here it says earn money with your family. So again, these are just small tasks that you perform. Like see here, this one says earn up to 2 cents per click, earn up to 2 cents per click, earn up to $10 per referral upgrade, earn up to $10 per referral upgrade. In general, it's just little tasks that you perform, and then you get paid a little amount of money. Like I said, if you just want to raise money for your domain, then you can try out these strategies. But if you want to build a real online business, I would recommend starting a blog and a YouTube channel. Now, when I say start a blog and a YouTube channel, I'm not saying that you should focus on AdSense revenue. If you are not sure what AdSense means, AdSense is the money that Google pays its creators when an advertiser places an ad on the creator's video or blog post, as the case may be. I'll explain more about YouTube ads and how to create a business on YouTube in future videos. But for now, when you are creating a blog or YouTube video, keep in mind that the chunk of the money you want to make from a blog or YouTube channel should not come from ad revenue. Now, there's something called affiliate marketing, where you sell people's products and then you get a commission for selling those people's products. So one website where you want to do this is this website called Workplus. This is a free website. It's available worldwide. Very easy to sign up. Just go ahead and sign up on this website. Now, once you have signed up on this website, you go ahead and you log in. Now, once you are in, it's going to look something like this. Now, once you have logged in, you go to affiliates and you click offers. Okay. Now, once you are in here, this is where you will see people that are willing to pay you a fee to sell their product. So you see this one, it says Swift, 9% conversion rate. The conversion rate is the percentage of people that buy the product. So what this 9% conversion rate means is that if 100 people were to view your referral link or were to interact with your ad or your blog post or your YouTube video, then at least 9 of the 100 people are going to buy. That's what this 9% conversion rate is. So you want to look for products that have the highest conversion rates. And then you just go ahead and click request. So when you click request, it's going to take you to a place where you're going to request for your referral link. So here I'm going to request approval. Then it's going to ask me to write a note to the owner of this product. So you can tell the person anything. You can tell them, hey, I am so and so person. I am heavy on affiliate marketing. I have an email list of a lot of people, and I've looked at your sales page. I really like the product. I want to promote it. Send me a referral link. Okay, something along those lines. And then you go ahead and request the offer. And that's what you want to do is that you want to view the sales page, obviously. So if you click here that says view the sales page, it's going to bring you to the sales page of the product. This sales page is going to tell you what this product is all about. Everything about the product you're going to see. So this one says new one-click app drives free buyer traffic. So I think this is an app that helps people to make sales. So you want to take your time to go through this sales page. I won't be able to go to this sales page in this video because it's just going to take an unbelievable amount of time. But if you want to make money selling this product, you need to first understand this product completely. So take your time, go through the sales page, and then go over to Google and find reviews on this product called Aura. So you can go over to Google and search Aura review. You will definitely find this ad, I think this is the company running ads on Google to get sales. So, but you want to go to very honest reviews. Let's search for Aura Software instead. Great. This is still an ad. This is still an ad. But this is a review. And if we were to click this review and open it, let's see. So this is a review on the product. So you want to go ahead and read this review. You definitely don't want to read only one review. So let's look at this other review as well. So this is another review, and you want to go ahead and read the review, so you can have a good idea of what the product is talking about. And then you want to go ahead and write your own review, and then leave your affiliate link inside your article. If you are more into video production, then you want to make a review video on the product and put it on YouTube. Of course, I'm just scratching the surface. I'm still going to make detailed videos on how to go about affiliate marketing in future videos. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on future updates. If you have been a follower of this channel since last year, I made mention that I'm going to dive into ClickBank, and I'm going to be giving you guys updates on how my ClickBank journey is going. If you're not sure what ClickBank is just like Workplus. Is an affiliate marketing website or body where you go ahead to get affiliate products. So if I just go here and click and search ClickBank, you can see what ClickBank looks like. I know it has been a while since I was going to give you guys updates on my ClickBank journey. A lot has been going on this year, so I was working on a lot of other things. But the good news is that the blog which I'm dedicating to ClickBank is now live, and we have begun the ClickBank journey in earnest, so you'll definitely be getting some updates on that in future videos. If I try out anything it works for me, I'm definitely going to come back to this video and show you guys what I did. So that will be it for this video. Just to recap, there are a couple of websites where you can do little jobs for free, like this one, picoworkers or microworkers, Newbox, and Family Clicks. If you make money from here, be sure to invest it into a domain or something and get your own blog or your own YouTube channel. What most other people will tell you is that you should go with free blog like Blogger or WordPress. Yes, free blogs will allow you to blog at zero cost, but trust me, if you really want to rank on Google, if you really want to make money from blogging, you definitely want to have your own domain. You really want to pay for hosting. Okay, you want to pay for all that with your money, so that Google will take you very seriously. The other reasons why it's good to have your own paid website. One other reason is that it allows you to be in control. There are a lot of things that you can control, whereas in free blogs, there are a lot of things that you cannot control. So that's just a little inside information. If you do not have money, you can decide to start with a free one like Blogger or WordPress, but keep in mind that you really want to eventually transition into a website that you're paying for. Okay, so don't worry. I know you may have a lot of questions, but in this video, I only scratched the surface, and I'll be delving deeper in future videos. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe, drop a like on this video if you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.